You come here, ass fuck.
Hello, my name is Sukh, and like a lot of successful women my age, I live with my parents. This is exactly where I thought I'd be at 37, by the way. Single, unemployed, living in a house where you're not allowed to turn the big light on. That's making me very uncomfortable. I feel like my dad's about to come in any second and be like, turn it off, sit in the dark. Yes, my family is Welsh, sir. We got any mums in the audience? Anyone got a mum? Yay, lovely. Just got a little bit of advice for you. Just to say, if your mum's doing any chores around the house, don't ask if you can help her. Just help her. Don't do what I did the other week, which is when I came downstairs and saw my mum at the table in the kitchen, peeling a small 20-kilo bag of onions. And I asked her if she needed a hand. I said, Mum, do you need a hand? That's a lot of onions. She was like, no. I went, are you sure? That's a lot of onions. I could just get a knife and help you. No, it's fine. You're very busy these days. You got a job. You are out and about. I don't know where you are. And I didn't read the room, guys. I just went, all right, then. That was my second mistake. Come downstairs 45 minutes later, she's still there peeling the onions. I was like, Mum, I'll just grab a knife, I'll help you. It'll be over much quicker. She went, when I am dead, then you will know. She's been threatening to die since she was 45. She's now 70. And that's according to her British passport, so as all immigrants know, that's at least 5 years out. Not any fans of wintering? Oh, some people. You might not be when I tell you why I like winter so much in a bit. There's only one reason I like cold weather, and that is because fat people do not do well in the heat. Now, please do not be offended on my behalf. I do identify as fat. I'm a part of the fat community. I've been this size for 12 years. I don't think I can go around going, I'm just a little bit bloated today. This isn't because I had an upper crust baguette on the train up. It's a lifetime of steak bakes. And don't come up to me afterwards and say something like, oh, but you're not fat, you're pretty. I said I was fat, I didn't say I was ugly. And my favourite one is when women say, oh, but you're quite pretty for a big girl, aren't you? And to that you must always say, and you're quite ugly for a skinny cow. We don't do well in the heat. We really don't. We're like, you know that old laptop, that old 2011 laptop you've got at home? Like, if we overheat, we stop working. So we're not good at that. And the thing is, for skinny people, summer's great. You know, my skinny friends will be like, oh, we'll get some Prosecco, have a little picnic in the park. What do you think, Sukh? Do you want to come along? I'm like, no. No, I do not. That sounds like a nightmare. I'll have to sit on the floor. I'm a woman of a certain age. I've got the core strength of wet loo roll. I'm not going to be able to get up without performing a 3-point turn. No one needs to see that. Don't invite me. For fat girls, summer basically means you go for your wardrobe, you find your oldest, crappiest pair of Primark leggings. She's already there, isn't she? Yeah? Can tell. She's gone. You find your oldest, crappiest pair of leggings, you cut them to just above the knee so that you can wear a dress without your thighs rubbing together and bursting into flames. You suffer of chub rub, madam? I feel your pain. But you know what fat girls are really good at? We're not good at summer, but we are really good at maths. And I don't mean pie. Every fat girl you've met is a borderline mathematical genius. Do you know why? Because as soon as that wedding invite hits our doormat, we're like, right, that wedding's 6 months away. If I lose £2 a week, that's £48, that's 3 stone. I can do that. Just cut out carbs after 7. But then I've got 2 birthdays coming up, a bottomless brunch and a hen do. And a very slow metabolism. So I'll probably be half a stone heavier than I was when I started. I didn't say it was good maths, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, non-binary friends, you've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much. I've been Sukh Ojla.